Hello dear students, today we will perform the experiment of how to check suspended solids, dissolved solids and total solids in our laboratory. Now, what is suspended solids? These are the solids in wastewater that remain present on filter paper while filtering the sample through a fine filter. The suspended solids contains much of the organic matter. And what is dissolved solid? The dissolved solids are the filtrate remains in beaker after filtering the sample through filter contains dissolved oxygen. It includes mainly inorganic salt, small amount of organic matter and dissolved gases. And total solids, the residue left after the evaporation and subsequent drying in oven at specific temperature, that is 103 to 105 degrees centigrade of a known volume of sample are total solids. Total solids include total suspended solids and total dissolved solids. Let us begin the experiment in our laboratory. Now the operators used in this experiment are beaker, this funnel, stand, beakers, measuring cylinder, this weighing balance up to 4 digit of 1 gram and filter paper. Now take a filter paper of Waterman with a grade of 42. Then weight this filter paper. The initial weight of this filter paper is 1.1562 gram. Now put out this filter paper. Make the shape of this filter paper like this. Then put this filter paper like this in this funnel. Then put this like this. Put this paper under this funnel. Now filter this sample of 100 ml of water sample. Filter this with the help of this filter paper. Now this whole water sample is filtered. Now put out this filter paper and put this filter paper on our oven at 100. Now put this filter paper in our oven. at a temperature of 105 degrees centigrade. After drying, put out this filter paper and again wet this filter paper. So after drying, the weight of this filter paper is 1.2231 gram. Now reduce the initial weight from this final weight of this filter paper. So these are your suspended solids. Continue this experiment for the dissolved solids. So this is our 100 ml of sample, and we put this 100 ml sample in our petri dish and put this petri dish in our oven so that all of this water is evaporated. And after evaporating, we first get the initial weight of this petri dish. So the initial weight of the petri dish is 35.5124 gram. So put the sample in this petri dish and put this petri dish So after evaporating the whole sample, measure the weight of this petri dish again. So this is the final weight of petri dish after evaporating this. So the final weight of this petri dish and dissolved solids are 35.7211 gram. Now for the total solids, take the sample as such in our petri dish, 100 ml of sample in petri dish, and put this 100 ml of petri dish sample in our oven. For complete evaporation, so after complete evaporation of this water, put out this fatty dish and wait it again. So this is how we perform this experiment in our laboratory. Thank you very much.